To make your activities page, let me show you an example first. You will have a custom header, you're going to have some text, and then you're going to put photos of all your activities with labels under each one. Now, if you're in a lot of activities, that's awesome, but some of you might be in the situation where you're not directly involved in sports, so let me show you what that might look like. If you don't have any school activities, you need to think about what are your hobbies. For example, maybe you like to hike or cook pizza or play Minecraft. Maybe you have some pets that you really enjoy. So you need to get some photographs of that, and that's what it will look like. So let's get started. I'll show you how it goes. So the first thing we want to do is, of course, change the image. And this is the one page I'll let you use something a little personal, like if you like football or whatever. Remember, the header type needs to be switch it to banner. We don't want large banner, switch it to banner. Now, the next thing you can do is if you want to add, we're going to go over to Insert, and we need to add a, text box. So we're going to add a text box. I want you to increase the size of your font, maybe to about 14, and make it bold. And this is where I want you to type 4 sentences about your hobbies. If you make sure they're complete and free of grammar errors or spelling errors. Now, if you want to change the color on this, remember you can pick different colors if you like, whatever your theme is. Now, the next section we are going to put in images. So to do that, you're going to press the Images button and upload your first. I think it looks better sometimes when they're the same size, so you might want to size these correctly. I want to add at least 3 images up at the top. Let's see, actually 4 images will work well. So we're going to get our 4th image. And again, they're all the same height and they're all in the same line. You can drag them in place. Now to add captions, once you get the photos you like, you then are going to add a text box. And when it shows up, you'll have to make it smaller and then type in your caption. And then you want to put your hands on those, or put your mouse on those little dots, and you're going to move it until you see the blue line appear under your picture, and that is how you are going to get a caption. You will repeat that for each of your images. This is what your goal is that you have a nice paragraph at the top of 4 sentences, 4 photos below. Each of the photos has smaller text underneath it, and this tip I think works really well. If you notice this text, it is not black, it is gray. Changing the colors to gray is one of my favorite things, so let me show you how that works. You'll highlight this text and then center it, so align, center. Now my background is green, but I'll change it back to white. But the gray color I like, it's number, I think it's this one here, 3rd from the left, and I'll show you how that looks on a white background. It's a lot more sophisticated. So when you are all finished, you're going to press the Publish button, press Publish, you'll press Publish again, and then you want to press your Link button, and you are going to copy this link and place it in your Google Classroom and turn in your work. Thank you.